and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Sarambai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. MCSWA initiates self-defense training for women. 2 women from Peninsula came forward to voice out on accusations against Preston. East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association celebrates Drivers' Day in Sora. And petrol pump fake stirs confronted by KSU Laban Circle. And now the news in detail. Mimanturu Community Social Welfare Association MCSWA on the 10th and 11th of February organized a special self-defense training for 25 girls in Salaro Joai to prepare themselves for any danger that is to come. Aris Nongunri, Chief Functionary MCSWA, in his speech, emphasized that the intention being organizing this self-defense training is because they observed that the present world is full of danger and crime, and this demands for women to be able to defend themselves from various physical assaults. Isaiah Karmauplang from Happy Red Rooster MMA Shillong, being the instructor, informed that since few years ago, they specifically focused on mixed martial arts, and the students who came for the trainings were motivated by the competitions. However, after observing that a huge number of girls came to the training not for competitions but for self-defense, this prompted them to organize a self-defense training to help women defend themselves from any harm.
The choke has not been put also. Anyone else? Cross, let me just direct and then come back. What? Then come back. Allow the team hungry. And they can come back. Okay?
2 women, namely Badri Nam Kongkrom from Nowet Peninsula and Latangshan Khomaulo from Panther Peninsula constituency on the 11th of February, expressed their disappointment on people speaking and acting against their MLA Preston Pinsong in different social media platforms. While speaking with the media persons in Shillong Press Club, they vehemently reject the accusations from various people that Preston had done nothing but damage to the state. They exclaimed that the MLA had done more than expected since they have witnessed development in and around Peninsula alone. They mentioned the ill treatment of people towards one another and the fact that people judge without accumulating solid facts. Furthermore, they emphasized that they are not closely related or closely connected with the MLA, but they are just worried women from the constituency who wanted to voice their concerns on false accusations made by few people.
Kini ki banang start channel lang ba kini ki lat pathai khubor tip rut sati chanong kendong mangi kinong kendong mangi ki babi ki basisul ki basidur kat ba ong kamu bai ho ade na kata kadaw nga ong ya phi te wan khnang hang ni ban yo ban ya ai lem kata ka jing pen sai ba dalai lai na ni sak khmat la dalong kat bala tu te ni ya persiang lang namar kane dai ka jing pangrin ka bisni kalor ni kata ka wat daw kawat ni kawat dong ka jing pangrim jong ni hari khasi jong ni phi yo i lai ba phi mut ban tiu te thawlat te kum no an yo ban ring ban tan yo ba un hap no namar kata ka jing pangrim kata ka ban dalai lai lu ngim la shu ban ai jing ban ai dawai ni banเป็นเขียกันนี่แต่นักแต่กระดาววันขนาดนี้เลยสิกันนี่ก็ยิงหยอดลาดยองวันวันถ้าบอกกินนี่กี่ลาดผัดไทยคุบอดกันลงก็ยิงเท่าทำไมหน้าก็เป็นตาก็เป็นซีมก็โดนนูดยองยองพี่อีบาดอนลังนี่ที่บาลงกินน้องริงกินน้องตาลนี่กันนี่ก็ยิงเป็นยองเลยสิอยากรีบัดก็อยากเป็นรียองนี่กันนี่ก็ยิงวันยองกันเยอะลังนี่ก็จะยิงเป็นเขียหากิตาที่อยากกิรุกมันก็ยิงบิสนี่kitaก็ยิงลอร์นี่ini wat kalat kalenti kum no keng ban ya perkhat lang hakano karukom ba kata kajat ben reu khasi jongi kan lang na ka bakom pini.
It is the 5th time that the East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association celebrates the Drivers' Day, which was held on the 11th of February in Yothamai Field, Sora. Present in the occasion were the President of East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association, President of KSU Lombok Star Marngar, who is the chief guest, office bearers of the association and other spectators. Addressing the gathering, Lombok Star Marngar urged the taxi drivers to put in collective work and unite among themselves, since they are one and the same in terms of problems they face in a regular basis as taxi drivers. KSU Laban Circle on the 11th of February had gone to inspect a petrol pump situated in Anjali, Rhino, which holds several complaints for the false measurement of petrol. After investigation, it is revealed that people are being cheated by witty acts like covering the meter to disable the people from knowing the correct measurement. Interestingly, the migrant workers in the petrol pump were exposed for they had no proper papers or permit. The members of KSU left the petrol pump manager and his workers with a stern warning to correct their conduct with proper measurement of the petrol and visible meter, else they have to face with serious consequences, which includes the closing of the petrol pump. As part of encouraging a fellow party candidate, Marian Maring from Nongpo constituency, on the 11th of February, Tarun Chuk, BJP National Secretary, arrived at Umbuda to enlighten the views and the work that party had done. Talking highly of the PM, Tarun Chuk in his speech informed that under the leadership of PM Modi, the entire country had received countless number of developmental schemes. The gathering was held in Umbuda and the personalities present includes Gagan Jain, Chairman State Economic Meghalaya BJP, Marian Maring, BJP candidate Nongpo, Paralat Tur, State Vice President BJP, office bearers of BJP Nongpo, Mondal and public supporters.
गरीबों की पार्टी गरीबों के लिए काम कर रही, गरीबों के जिंदगी में परिवर्तन लाने के लिए काम कर रही। मोदी जी ने गरीबों के घर पे रसोई गैस पहुंचाया, मोदी जी ने गरीबों के घर पे शौचालय पहुंचाया, टॉयलेट पहुंचाया है ना। आपके घर पे राशन आ रहा है, नरेंद्र मोदी जी जो भेज रहे, चावल आ रहा है, आ रहा है। कौन भेज रहा है? मोदी जी। कौन भेज रहा है? मोदी जी। आपके घर पे पीने का पानी का टैप आ रहा है, हर घर जल से नल से जल जे और आपके घर पे रसोई गैस पहुंच रही, सड़क बन रही है। और पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी आप सबके लिए काम कर रही, आपके जीवन में परिवर्तन लाने के लिए काम कर रही। इसलिए मेरी आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के चुनाव निशान लोटस पर वोट करिए। लोटस भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सिंबल है। ये गरीबी से लड़ने के लिए, ये मोदी जी ने आप सबके जीवन में परिवर्तन आए, आप आगे बढ़ सके, गरीबी से निकल सके, आपके बच्चों को रोजगार मिले। यहाँ इसलिए हमारी यहाँ की कैंडिडेट को खड़ा किया है। ये आपके लिए यहाँ पर फार्मिंग सेक्टर में आगे बढ़ने के लिए ये आपके लिए काम करेगी। प्रधानमंत्री जी सीधा फार्मिंग सेक्टर को बढ़ाने के लिए, फार्मिंग सेक्टर को आगे ले जाने के लिए वो हॉर्टिकल्चर का सेंटर बनाएंगे। यहाँ पर अभी देश के 11 करोड़ किसानों को 2000 रुपया आ रहा है आपको? फार्मिंग का पैसा सम्मान निधि आ रहा है, मोदी जी भेज रहे, पीएम किसान। सो मेरा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर किसान, पीएम किसान, कमल के फूल पे वोट करना, लोटस। ओके।
As retaliation to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma over the remarks that there is practically no opposition in the state, the Meghalaya TMC candidate from Maukarwat, Sounder S. Kaji, on the 11th of February, berated the CM for the deliberate insult. The comments came during an event at the Nativity High School ground in Maukarwat, Southwest Khasi Hills, where over 2,000 supporters voiced their desire for a change. MP and leader of AITC Parliamentary Party Rajya Sabha, Derek O'Brien, was also present at the scene. Taking a blow at the CM for ignoring the constructive criticism from Meghalaya TMC, the Maukarwat TMC candidate criticized that the CM is more interested in misleading the people. This shows that he is rattled by witnessing the massive support TMC gains from the people.
Meghalaya amdan opposition pat kalau ke insult ya ka office jung chief minister habu tip ba Dr. Mukul Sangma of the leader of opposition kali ka foolish statement jung chief minister ka ong ba kamdan ka opposition ka khlain kani por khai ke ki jingting pat tum su pakala yo pa Banong baka hapo Meghalaya amdan opposition habang itip ba ke TMC ke Trinamool Congress haka jinglam jung Dr. Mukul Sangma leader of opposition nakran bon ki menteri ke jing bakala jang kami te ban ong ba hapo Meghalaya amdan opposition leader lani ka opposition kalau betulan lani ka bontan opposition kalian persiap kalau ke jinglam bakala ya pa dengan semua orang yang pa jong kali Meghalaya berkoi kalau kali ke jinglam nervous ke jong chief minister pan iba that the TMC will form the government by this 2023.
On the 11th of February, the Indian National Congress released 14 commitments for the 2023 elections, prior to which the party released 5 agendas in the previous days, which includes empowerment of women and the control of drugs. For now, the party had released 14 more commitments for the 2023 elections, which also includes free medical treatment, free education, schemes for farmers and others. The event took place in Vivanta Hotel in the presence of the MPSC President Vincent Pala along with other party leaders from Delhi. On the same day, there was a short dance performed by the party, followed by a release of a short video of the party.
Identity, and finally the cloud of a unholy alliance, BJP, NPP, UDP, TMC, who are all claiming to fight independently now, but mark my words, at the first opportunity, they will jump into bed together. So for the Congress, this is a watershed election. And I will give you only 2 indicators of what a transformational election this is for the Congress. Never before in any state of India, national politics, 47 out of 60 candidates are below the age of 45. It's never happened before in any state. It's happened in Meghalaya. 47 out of 60 candidates are below the age of 45. This is bringing youth to the fore. One advantage of the Judasas leaving our party is that they create vacancies. And we have youngsters for the first time. And secondly, 10 out of 60 are women. No other political party in Meghalaya has given women such a heavy representation. This is a matriarchal society. This is a society in which women play a very important social and economic role and a cultural role. That is not reflected in its politics, but we are making a beginning. 10 out of 60, that is almost 17% of our candidates are women. No other political party can claim this.
Anjala Rangat, one of the candidates to contest in the 2023 elections from South Shillong constituency, on the 11th of February announced the main issues that she had prepared for the coming elections. While speaking before the media persons near Civil Hospital, Anjala Rangat informed that the main points she emphasized includes the easy access of healthcare facilities, free education, free rehab centers for addicts and others. She added that her salary will be used to help the people in need, especially for the economically underprivileged people. She mentioned on setting up of a help desk for the people's convenience and a financial help to gig workers like Rapido, Swiggy and others.
Contracts, so we have to ensure that there is fairness in government contracts, and we will be having pre-legislative consultations on several bills that we hope to push in Meghalaya. One being the Meghalaya Fairness in Government Contract Bill, the other being the Meghalaya Right to Grievance Redress Accountability and Transparency Act, and also to ensure a Meghalaya Social Security Act that covers, for instance, private school teachers, gig workers and domestic workers. We need to have welfare boards for them, and this is a bill which will ensure that. And the most important thing, most of the candidates are talking about health, but what do they hope to do in health? The only thing we can address, the only way we can address when it comes to the lack of healthcare, the inaccessibility of affordable healthcare here, is to push for a Public Health Act. And for that too, we will be having pre-legislative consultations. We have already prepared a draft bill on this, and we hope to share that.
Idalin Dakhar, who is a General Secretary of Mahila Mandal of BJP Mausanram, on the 11th of February, announced that she had surrendered the office she holds as a member of BJP. She delivered the information to the media persons in Shillong Press Club. Furthermore, according to the lady, she claims that she is in a perplexed state that her name came out in the RTI on the entrepreneurship scheme from the MLA HM Shangpliang, which crossed over 20,000 rupees. It is claimed to have released 3 times, however, she did not receive any money from the supposed scheme. She added that she is not the only one with the issue, but there are many more individuals whose name came out in the RTI, but the money did not reach to them.
Kanika RTI, kabalapau yang aban seng dukan, don ke MLS scheme na ban ai seng dukan ya ka kerteng jonga bad ya upara jonga ka Idalin Dakhar bad Ushan Boklin Dakhar bad upara jonga Henry ni klam yo nang tanga don ka proof ha ka mobile ngala send message ngala send ya kanika RTI ru hai ban pan ya kanika pisa ka bama ila penrung ibala pau kerteng ha kanika RTI Henry imle patiau bad iklam le badang sining kong ru anang lek yang ban pen mau Henry isngap jat takadaw mentang awan hang ni hapok ka press club ban pen benapat banga klem yo hang ni ki pau hadu kan noteli ke kerteng jonga haka nembar shispa nyo phulai ru kapau nang ta haka nembar sau phundri ru kapau haka nembar knai pu aru kapau kan noteli syu ki pau ki kerteng jonga haka ni ka RTI tengam tip sei kalet kan ni ka pisa Henry ka sign ka badon ka dei ba MLA iba Shangpliang ladap sei kan ni ka pisa.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.